guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about how much money I made from swing trading $500. Now, the thing about this challenge is I didn't start this thing this week or this month. I've been doing this for near and around 90 days now. So the biggest thing with trading is a lot of people have these mindsets that taking $500 and turning it into $10,000 is a very, very easy thing to do so. But the reality of it is it's very, very difficult. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about the trade that I took. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys have any questions, by all means, ask down in the comments. And if you guys want to learn more about swing trading, check out my school where we talk about my strategies, my mindset, how I find stock and opportunity. We have group chats, quizzes, lectures, and the great thing about it right now is we're doing a early spring sale where you guys can use code HALF to get 50% off. We have courses on how to find stocks, private live streams. It's absolutely fantastic. So guys, let's jump into this here. So this past week, I'm sure you guys know, if you guys have been following the channel, I've been on vacation. Now, the biggest thing with trading, and I think a lot of people need to understand, is one, yeah, you can do it everywhere. Number two is it's always better to trade high quality plays rather than a bunch of bad plays. So this past week, I only took one trade. Now, is that a big deal? Absolutely not. Now, should this be a concern if there's a lot of opportunity? No, because like I said, it's always better to trade a stock you understand, a stock that you are fully confident in, and go from there. So let's break down the trade here. So looking at the chart here, this is on ticker symbol PARR. This made me near and around $82. Now you guys can see that we have this great upward trend, as you guys can see. Great upward trend. It does have some resistance here at about $36. So as we look at it, look at this $36 point. It hits it once, twice, three times, four times, 5 times, 6 times, and then recently we had this breakout above it, right? So basic technical analysis states that old resistance has tendencies to act as new support. So we saw come in contact with it again. On top of that, as we zoom out, what do you guys notice about this blue line? This blue line is what we call a moving average line. So you guys can see it hits it once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, and then recently 7 times. Each and every time establishing very, very hard support. So where we get a lot of buying pressure. So we have old resistance that has tendencies of acting as new support. We have support on the 90-day moving average line. And if you guys look at the squiggly line down on the bottom, this is what we call the RSI line. It's called the relative strength index. It pretty much determines if a stock is overvalued or undervalued, tracks momentum. So let's look back at the last time it was trading for 37 on the RSI. This was right back in here where the stock went from 35 to 39. As we zoom out, this right here, the stock went from 33 to 40. So looking back at the past couple of previous times is also super important because now you have a lot more confidence that this play could continue. Now, without any play, you need to understand everything about it. And this is why I love Moomoo. This is the broker I use. I highly recommend them. I'll put them down below. But it's because they have amazing drawing tools. So the great thing about this is I hopped in near and around this 36-35 area. I set my stop loss near and around, this 35 area. I risked about $1 to make $2.52. And that is a decent risk and reward. Obviously, you shoot for higher, but this was very good. I saw a lot of confidence in this trade because of old support. So I had a bunch of confidence in this. I knew the profit was going to be near and around this old resistance here. As you guys can see, it hits it, establishing very hard resistance. So I was super confident, took the trade with my full account balance, made me about $84. Now, the thing about trading, and I think a lot of you need to understand, is it's not about home run plays. It's not about 20-30% returns. It's about 2-3% returns compounded over the years. That's where you're going to make your money. It's not going to be where you're buying a stock for $1 and selling it at $100,000. It's going to be where you buy a stock for $1 and you sell it at 10 cents. But you just do that repeatedly. That's where you're going to make your most of your money with trading. So focus on base hits, focus on education, focus on that process of learning as much as you can. And guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this. I'm not feeling super great. I'm sure you guys can tell. But we'll see you guys later. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next week when we break down how much money we're at.